Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create and modify chart of account in ABSS accounting application. Account module is one of command centers in the ABSS application, which is for creating database of the company's account. The function of account is for journalizing the company transaction. The content of this video consists of setting up accounts, lists or chart of account, creating, changing, and deleting account, link account, and entering initial balance. Now we will create a new company accounting data. I already opened the ABSS apps here. Thus, we can create the company file and fill the company information using the case. This is the application. Let's create one company file. The name is PTI. Just ignores other fields. Fiscal year structure January to December 2020. Last month is December, conversion month is January. The counting periods is 12. All right, next. The account list is create an account on list by your own, right? So I would like to build my own account list once I begin using ABSS Premiere. So we just choose the last one. All right, next, command center. We've done this. And the next one is creating an account structure, then creating it in grouping so that the header balance is the accumulation of the sub-account balances or detail balance. Let's enter some of the accounts in this case, and you can enter the rest of data based on the case provided. Okay, let's go to the accounts and then account list. And then make one account here. Okay, we can type from the buildings and improvements, which part of the fixed assets. The fixed assets, we cannot find the fixed asset here. Okay, create new. And then, as you can see here, there are two positions of accounts which are header and detail account. They are for structuring the account based on each type in financial statement. Okay, now we can type the asset, and then the account number is, the type is asset, the 1000 fixed asset. Okay, we already have here which the fixed asset is under group of the assets, right? Okay, next, we want to enter the buildings and improvements with the account number 1200. Let's click new and then header asset 1200. Okay, this account number already exists. What should we do if this account numbers already exist, but with different name? With different name. We want to make 1200 with the name is buildings and improvements. What should we do? We have to edit the name, okay? You can either delete it first and then make the new one, or you can just edit the old account, okay? Click the account and edit. And the header or detail is header. An account is being used as a link account may not be a section. Okay, if it because of the link account, we can just remove the link account first. Move into another one, maybe this one. Yes, and then okay. So it's already unlinked, right? So we can make it header. Yes. All right. And now the name is building and improvement. Click OK. Now it's part of the assets as well. Now the next one is 1210. 1210, click new with the status detail, and the type is other asset. The number is 1210. The name is building and improvement at cost. All right, there is a limited words here, so we have to make it simple. Just make it cost and okay. Now we can see here the building and improvement cost already under building and improvements. Why is it so? Because the building and improvements is header with the account number. The first number is 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 is the unique number of this account. All right, if we use these two numbers and follow another number, so it will be the detail of this number. Okay, can be understood, right? All right, I wanna input another one, buildings and improvements accumulation depreciation. Let's create new. Status is detail and the type is other asset. Account number is 1220 with the name is building and improvement accumulation depreciation. Okay, accumulation depreciation. Okay. Okay. Here. Here you go. All right, here you go. The building and improvement accumulation is already including in this chart of account, which is under building and improvements account. And next, if you want to add more, let me finish these three. Create new, and the name is, the type is bank, and this is detail. The number is 2110 with the name is petty cash. Next, bank, the number is 2120 and cash in bank. Last one, that's account receivable. The type is account receivable. 220 trade debtors. All right, we have some here. Trade debtors, petty cash, cash in bank, and trade debtors. Okay. We have others. You can just capture this account and then input all of these accounts in your ABSS to make your practice perfect. Income, cost of sales, expenses, other income, and other expenses. All right. Furthermore, in the case, we have to fill out the initial balance of each account as of January 1st, which is the beginning year. Let's go to setup. We close this first. Setup, balances, account opening balances. Because I didn't enter all accounts, so I cannot make the status account is 0 here, or the amount left to be allocated is 0. But make sure that the amount left to be allocated is 0, otherwise it will be entered to the historical balancing account. This account is supposed to be 0 for the whole year. If not, there is something wrong with your transactions journal. Okay, let's enter some of them. We have entered the accounts 1210 here, 1210 with the number 15,000, and then accumulation is -5. So it's minus, just put the minus here and 5. To explain that, the accumulation is part of asset, which is the normal account is in debit, not credit, but accumulation depreciation is the account contra of the asset itself. For example, the building and improvement cost is the asset of the company, and the account accumulation depreciation is the contra account of this asset. That's why we have to put minus whenever the contra account exists in that account. All right, next, maybe we want to enter petty cash 200. Cash in bank 8,000. Trade debtors 4,000. Is there any other? Trade debtors is ready. We already have it. Trade creditors 4,500. What else that we have? Return earning maybe 9,875. So as I told you before, because I didn't enter all accounts, so I cannot make the status account is 0 here. The amount left to be allocated 0. So make sure when you practice and you follow this case, make sure that you enter everything and then make it 0 here. Next, the last is preparing a report for the accounts information. Go to the reports and then accounts. The case asks us to print out the account list detail. Account list detail. We have some reports here. Just see whatever the reports that you need for your company. But here I just want to print out the account list detail. Customize report fields and what type of reports that we want to choose. Account number, all right. Account type. We don't need the DR and CR. Either a detail and level. Just it. Is there any balance? Yes. Okay, display it. The date must fall within the current, previous, or next financial year. All right, this is because I forget to change the date. Display. This is the report that we want to print out, and the name is under PDF format. Send to PDF. Actually, we can print out the report in ABSS into Excel format, email, fax, PDF, and etc. Okay, now we can choose PDF and then save the name. That's it. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.